The most powerful folding phone available will be the Z Fold 7. Change is provided for us. Samsung's Z Fold 7. Samsung has kept with the same design for the previous several generations, giving us the identical inner and cover displays. However, things have changed since then. Later, I will disclose the display's proportions. Samsung's decision to use inner display bezels was a huge one. Ice Universe claims on Twitter that the inner screen bezel of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is narrow. It is Z Fold 6 in the image, and the bezel's width, as shown by the arrow, is 1.9 mm. The outside screen bezel of the Z Flip 7 is very narrow, measuring just 1.2 mm, and the Fold 7 is directly dry to 1 mm. Samsung made the last change to the inner display. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is already smaller in size, has a bezel that is almost half as large. Additionally, the Z Fold 7 inner display would be the most exquisite display available in the foldable market when combined with the under-display selfie camera. In comparison to the Galaxy Z Fold SAX's symmetrical form and flatter dimensions, the 1mm thick bezel is very thin. Although it hasn't been verified yet, it comes from a trustworthy source, so for the time being at least, we may believe it. However, there are extreme discounts available that you can take advantage of if you're looking for a phone that is both affordable and comprehensive, as shown in this video. The phone's thickness is the second significant upgrade, which comes from Universe once again. The initial glance at the Galaxy Z Fold 7 was previously available, but we were unaware of the differences between it and the Z Fold 6. The bigger cover display was one change we wanted, and the new case for the Fold 7s confirms that. The Z Fold 7 is broader than the Z Fold 6 and more like to a standard phone. This is the difference between the two phones. Undoubtedly, the Z Fold 7 resembles the special edition Galaxy Fold 4. Additionally, whether you see it or not, the flashlight position on the Z Fold 7 is different from the Fold 6. However, Samsung is sticking with the Z Fold 7's boxier form, which I really liked about the Z Fold 6. Hold on, the Z Fold 7 is much bigger than the Z Fold 6 in addition to being broader. It seems that the Z Fold 7 is a larger sibling of the Z Fold 6. In fact, one of the retailers began offering this case for sale on AliExpress. This case could be for the Z Fold 4 Special Edition, you can now say. No, it isn't. In contrast to the Z Fold Special Edition, the flashlight position on the Z Fold 7 is different. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.